Right, you guys, so it's bonfire night, isn't it, you guys? And we're on our way, and we're actually filming this on Sharon's phone because we tried the auction cam once and it was just terrible, absolutely terrible. So this year, you guys, what we're basically doing is we're driving into the middle of town. Bonfire's probably lit by now, I think, and we are going to take you guys to the fireworks display. Hey, you guys, you excited?
You don't sound very excited.
Yeah, baby!
I'm tired.
I know. But we're all wrapped up. It's actually quite cold. It's raining as well, so we'll just have to see how we get on.
We're at 9 degrees in the car.
Yeah, so that, you guys have been on the vlog before. You might recognise this bits of Elgin, maybe. I don't know. This is the roundabout in sort of the middle of town. And there's the Royal Hotel and the Lake Murray Hotel, which I think I've mentioned sort of more than once, but I think the likelihood of you knowing where we're at is probably quite slim. But yeah, I mean, basically you guys probably get like 5 minutes getting across the town, but it's the getting away, isn't it? You know, when they have to stop the fireworks, everybody seems to leave. And I'm actually wondering how many, you know, because it's raining tonight, whether there's going to be lots of people there or not. You know what I mean?
Yeah, or more people will have taken their cars instead of walking.
Aye. Right guys, so it's just a little further along. It's the bridge I was telling you about, and we'll just pull in left after this and find our usual parking space, hopefully. But me and Sharon were just saying, you know, maybe there maybe are people tonight who think it's raining and don't really want to stand out in it. Hey Emily?
We are normally at the back, so we can like see most of it.
Yeah, we will.
Like see all of it.
We get, oh, parking space. Oh, that is weird. I'm going to grab that parking space, right? Oh no, car behind me now. Right. There he goes, and you guys, so we'll find a little parking space over here in this little area of town called Kings Mills. Somebody son. And we've ditched the car, we're going to leave it lying there. So we're going to see how Sharon's new phone gets on for us, eh? And by the way guys, this is a 4K phone. What kind of phone is this again, hon?
A Huawei Pro 20.
There we go, eh?
And also,
What did I...
when we were looking at a video of it, you can actually get like stands where you can put your phone on.
That's right. Come on, let's go and take the guys across then, you guys. Right, you guys, that was the bridge we crossed over earlier. And it did have a parking space down there as well, eh?
Yeah, but there was someone behind us.
Now guys, you'll see the silhouette of the cathedral up there. And we do actually have a tour of that, don't we, you guys? Yeah, we've got a proper video tour of the cathedral. So that'll be pretty cool, but the fireworks is what we're here to see, isn't it? And you can almost see, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, you guys, but the sky's just turning. I wonder if that's orange from the fire. They haven't lit the fire yet, have they?
Yeah.
Oh, they have?
Oh yeah,
Where
5
did we
minutes
go?
ago.
Oh, it's this way.
Yes.
I just
Oh.
from last year.
Let me tell you something though, you guys, there is not a lot of people around. You can see the cathedral. And that's it, you guys. So yeah, if you look back on our Scottish tours, or if you're on the YouTube channel, Scottish Castles and Landmarks, you'll find it really, really awesome actually. But yeah, we're just saying there's very few people around, eh you guys? Yeah. Are we the hard ones tonight? I think we are. Yeah, so you can see the cathedral here, you guys. Look at this. This is quite a camera, you guys. There
Look
you
at
go.
that tiny grave over there.
The old cathedral, you guys. Okay guys, so now we're starting to see some people. You got it, you guys?
It wasn't that fun.
But last year it wasn't that fun.
Yeah, but now it might be a bit more fun.
Yeah, I think so. I think it will be.
At least the wind's died down.
I'm not seeing the fire, I have to say, but we're not really early, are we? Right, so you guys, we've been reliably informed that they actually tried to light the fire and it went out. So it must have been really raining when they tried. I wonder if they'll try it again. Excuse me. Sorry you guys, got a little bit of a cold just now. I'll survive. Right. Oh, I think they've got it lit now, have they? I think you might just be able to see the smoke in the background there, you guys. Hey darling, there's the barrier right there though. Oh, here we go, David, look. So guys, the fireworks about 10 minutes away. Not that you'll have to wait that long. Yeah, really wet, you guys. Really wet and muddy, but who cares? So there we go, you guys. This is David and Emily down here at the front. Isn't it, you guys?
This is the first time that we're ever at the front.
That's right. There's always so many people here, you just can't get near it, eh? But there we are, you guys. Sort of obscured a little bit by the tree in front of us, but it's keeping the rain off us. I'll move back out again when the fireworks start. Yeah, definitely quite a light turnout, you guys, but look at this. We're going now. Yeah, I think all those guys should actually get back from it now. You see all the guys that helped start it up? So basically, guys, off to our right, that's where the fireworks start. That's where they set them off, up into the sky. So we should get something really quite special for you tonight. Yeah, we're cooking now, you guys. Look at this. We've just found out where my brother and my sister-in-law are with my nieces. So we'll just head over and find them in just a minute. They're over there in that crowd somewhere, actually. Over there in a minute.
Gentlemen, the Rotary movement takes at all ages, and they might end up starting the fireworks this year members of our youngest group, the Rota Kids. 2,000 are all 12 and 20 kids.
Oh, it's young primary school kids that are doing it. It's cool. Big one. Oh, you don't like him, is he? Oh, fire's down, you guys. I think it's going to collapse actually. There we go. Sorry, you guys. That other side of the fire is coming down, look at that. Whoa, look at that. There we go. again. Oh, this one's going to blow big. Follow this one's up. Kids are going crazy. Guys, give it a snuff around. Here we go. How you getting it? Oh, look, the fire's coming down. One of that stalks is going to come down, I can see it. Oh, is that it? Oh, they'll send up someone else. Wait for it. Wait for it. We missed it, didn't we, David?
Bye, David.
We missed it falling over. There's cousin Nutty. Oh, ta-ta, my darling. Love you. See you soon. Sorry, guys, the pallets all fell over and I missed it in the camera. Never mind. Right, this is our crowd here. So let's go.